This is part 3 of Skill 36. Once again, I've already solved all the equations for y, and I've also even graphed the lines. So in this one is my dotted line, and I chose the point 0, 0 to check, and no, it doesn't work. So on my dotted line, I'm going to shade away from 0, 0. So on my dotted line, I'm going to shade this way, and this time I'm going to shade slightly different. Instead of actually shading, I'm just going to put some lines there. It makes it go just slightly quicker. And then my other one, I can't choose 0, 0 because I can't really tell. It isn't on my line, but I'm going to choose a point 1, 1 that I know definitely is not on my line. So my solid line, 1, 1, does work, so I shade towards 1, 1. And there's my doubly shaded region. And I am going to take the time to go back and erase. And this helps a lot if you're just working in one color especially. So now I'm going to check, and I have the point 4, 0. And I need to check that 4, 0 does work in both equations. And 4 minus 0 is greater than 2. And 4 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 1. So it does check in both equations. Okay. In the bottom graph, once again, I have solved them and graphed them. And on this one, I chose the point 1, 1 because, again, I can't really tell for sure if it goes through 0, 0 or not. So I chose a point that I know doesn't, so I'm going to shade towards my 1, 1. And in my other equation, I can choose 0, 0, and 0 is less than 2, so I am going to shade towards 0, 0, or I am going to shade this way. And once again, there's my doubly shaded region, a little easier to erase my extra lines here. And once again, I am going to check a point to make sure that it works. And the point I'm going to check is 1, 1. And I know that 1, 1 already works in this equation because that's the one I used. So let's check to see if it works in this one. Well, 1 is greater than 3, so I have shaded the correct region. This is the end of Skill 36, and this is also the end of the algebra unit. And I hope you have learned a lot of algebra.